Good morning. Oh, it is the day before wedding weekend officially starts. Where is the battery? I am literally going crazy right now. Oh my gosh. Last night, woo! Right now it's like 9:30 in the morning. I got off work yesterday at 9. Came home and I had a list of things to do. So I said, I know I was at work all day and I'm gonna be tired. So I went to the grocery store and got this like liquid coffee caffeine thing to make like iced coffee. So that's what I use here, this thing. So I always do like one little squeeze. I did 2 big squeezes in water, put some creamer and drank that. And I was up all night doing, because I was like, I need this, take this to get things done. Anyways, I finished around 6:30 in the morning and I put a timer, not an alarm, a timer to be able, so I can sleep 2 hours and 37 minutes. So I'm up and I have to finish what I'm doing. I need to go to the store, pick up supplies. This is all the stuff so far that I need to put in my car. This is not including my bag of clothes. So this is my dress for tomorrow. All the bridal robes, plus Inky's robe. These are the bridal robes that we got. So we got all those, and then I have all the bridesmaids' gift bags here. They all have their own bags. I'll show you later, but they have their name on them. Wedding shoes, camera stuff. So yeah, so now I have my planner. I wrote everything down in here, and there's a pen. So now I have just this stuff to do. And I want to be able to finish it in all these things in a couple of hours and come back and start doing my hair and start doing other stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm so like nervous. Right now, like I'm like this because that caffeine I drank made me like be very jittery, but I needed it. Like when I was sleeping for 2 hours and 37 minutes. I just laid there and closed my eyes, like, because when I woke up this morning, like after my nap, I didn't feel like, oh, okay, I woke up. I felt like, gotta go. So I don't even know if I really slept or just closed my eyes. Anyways, I gotta go. We just got to finish with the bridal shower.
Oh, you have a little string in New York? No, in the back. Yeah, I saw the little game. I feel like I don't pay that much. Columbia's allowed to do that.
I can't hear you.
Hey, my phone's about to die, dude.
Yeah, in New York. That's what I'm saying. Like, you have to be able to like, make 400. So, to make
Say my phone's about to die.
Nice dress, Lauren.
Love it.
I want that. I want that.
Is it good?
Yeah. I'm jelly. I'm jelly. I love that. Isn't that good?
Is that chestnut?
Man. I was going to go to Mac today and get it because American Airlines.
You're just glowing right now. Like not a glow like bad glow, like glow like excellent. I feel like radiant.
Like glittery.
Like it's like glittery, like goddess,
Yeah.
like
The eyebrows are fleeky.
like you
The
are
eyebrows really like put it together.
Eyebrows.
I don't need any of these. They're so cute. They're not because what's the end?
I still think pink is your favorite color, but I'm going to let that go.
I saw the left.
Inky's getting her makeup done. Yeah. Let me get out of her light.
Because we're going to come back here and practice.
Looks so good, handsome, luscious.
I still have to do my hair. It's not the hair I was trying to wear.
Oh my god, those eyes. They look Yes. Every time you blink, it's like,
Everybody say hi to Lawrence.
There's a person like.
What's up?
yeah. Oh, it's so pretty.
I have to.
If you feel free to cut all of this out. How do I stop it?
Video. Hey guys, coming at you with the
Go to dinner.
So we are wrapping up the bridal shower. It was a success.
It was amazing. Good.
So much fun. And we're on our way to the rehearsal that started at 6. It's now 6:45.
Meanwhile, it's 7 o'clock.
We're African, so
Naija time now. You know.
so yeah. What I do? Sign off? No, that didn't look right.
I went anywhere I go, he goes now. I went to a house, he followed me to the same house. So that's Chris Madden, and we'll talk about what you're doing later. Best man of all best man. This guy, we've known each other since elementary school. You know, we go way back, you know, so that's I mean, I talk to this guy almost every day, man. You know. Next boy, that's my new brother over there, man. You know, the young one.
J-Boy, Junior.
The future doctor. You know, but we're working on it. So, Kelechi,
He's a good catch, lady.
So Kelechi, that's my cousin. Oradu, you know, we're finding a wife for him. Shako!
Hey. Chicken.
Guy man.
I met Chike in physics class, man. Smartest guy I know. But anyway, Casey Gwe. That's the only Cameroonian in this group. The Togo Nigerian. You know, we invited him to balance it out a little bit. But Casey was my roommate in college. So, my cousin, Kingston. Obi, from my mother's side. Anybody with me? Okay, that guy in the back is not a groomsman, but that is honorable mention. Oshoka, you know. So that's Oshoka back there. So I'm not done now. Stop exposing me like this. So in the back there, mommy, daddy, wave now. So these are the people who made me.
Power couple of life.
So that is my parents back there. All right, good.
Over here.
So first one is Assumpta Waneri. She is
my
one of my
gosh.
good friends that I met at University of Toledo, currently a M1.
Finally.
What'd you say?
Say finally. By God's grace.
And next one is my sister, my big sister, maid of honor.
Look this way, look this way.
She's watching carefully how you do this. Right?
A lot of
Look
the
this
things that
way
are
too.
done today are because of her. Next we have Norma, my new sister, one of Lawrence's younger sisters. And then next one is Ugochi, another sister of Lawrence's and a new one of mine. We have next year Brittany Shears, one of my BFFs from medical school.
Britney Spears?
Brittany Shears.
I'm sure he deserves that all the time.
And then we have Ashley Johnson, one of my great friends from high school. We've known each other since 2004. Yeah. Wow, I feel like old now, but we've known each other for what, 12 years? Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, that makes me feel old.
Next one is Mama, one of my cousins, one of my big cousins that I look up to. And then my dad sitting right here.
Pappy.
And then we'll act like my mom is sitting next to me. I don't know where she is.
Anyo's not here.
Oh yeah, I'm missing 2 bridesmaids, Anyo Fambad, also one of my good friends from University of Toledo, and then Oreolua, also another good friend of mine from University of Toledo that I don't know where they are.
How about Father Morris and Jennifer?
Yes. Yes, so this is Jennifer, my wedding planner.
Hello, Jennifer.
Father Morris here.
So all the way from California.
Yes.
So has to leave at 3:30 tomorrow, so we have to
Okay.
start at about 1:30.
Yes.
Be done by 2.
Please pay attention, guys. Especially.
If you're going to go that way, make sure you leave a spot for the, and you're going to turn and face. That's inside, just like that. You're going to have to do that some more on that side.
Put that thing up on the wall, make you do it for me, make you do it for me. and always okay, oh. And always okay, oh. And always okay, oh. I've been looking for you, oh. I've been searching for you all the days of my life. Just wanna make you my wife. Baby, follow me, go, oh, oh, oh. Follow me, go, oh, oh. Stay with me, just stay with me, girl. Take you to see my mama.
You might want to start dancing.
Oh, okay.
No, we don't want anyone to yank that or something like
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
No steps tomorrow.
So we're practicing for our dance routine tomorrow.
Ladies, are you guys ready? Evie, you can't record that.
Okay.
Record when we're done. Yeah.
Beginning, end. Okay.
No.
She's at the house waiting for the dresses. She's still waiting for the dresses?
Yeah, they're ironing it.
The ceremony dresses?
Yeah.
And shuffle. Yeah. We are. Okay. Okay.
But I can press them and just go.
Oh my goodness.
I just got my friends to go.
I know you already have this dressing code.
Okay, bye.
What's going on? Are they gonna be ready?
No, that's mommy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is she gonna be ready?
Yeah, she said all she has to do is just wait for, because Sarita has her hair. That's all that she's waiting for, yeah.
But she didn't do her makeup.
Well, by this time, I know already my mommy already did her makeup, so.
She did?
Probably, yeah.
Is the swoop coming to this side? Can it? Or is it too late?
It's a little too late.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I thought my part was on this side. Is it not? Do I not have a, I don't know. I don't even know what we're doing.
You kind of don't have a part.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. No, it's fine. I don't really care that much. I just was curious.
Okay.
As long as it looks the way I need it to look.
Is that my phone?
How do you feel about the makeup?
I have to check them every now and again. I think I'm okay. Thank you.
Elbows.
Yeah.
Little bit of Vaseline. Yeah. Yeah. Just take some. Elbows. Might as well.
Since like.
He's 59.
He's 59.
He's 38. He looks pretty good for 59. You are their
Nah, those are
They're creepy. They're creepy? Yeah, they're creepy. She looks like 37. I look 37. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh. Did someone grab you? Yes. Candy, you're not. No jumping. No jumping. Get it. No jumping. But what? Guys, help me. Guys. I got it. Oh, that's right. She's still gonna pull it. Somebody help me. It's supposed to fluff it.
Yeah, pull the neck.
Oh.
Guys. Okay, everybody, calm down. Okay.
Calm down. How can I mess
Okay, Lawrence is saying he just got to church.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I might have one for you.
You have Band-Aid?
You get it too?
Or 3. I'm scared. We're asking for too much now, are we?
Are we ready?
Alright, girls, grab the bags. Your dress is sore.
I'll get it for you after the picture, Cordelia.
Oh, no, it didn't. I need you guys to sit still. That's it. Stop right now. Okay.
Okay, if you guys want to grab your bags, then go ahead downstairs and hop on the limo bus. Get your shoes and your bags and whatever you want.
That's so pretty. All right, girls, come on.
The girls are going to
Bag. It's okay, honey. You don't need bags.
Just leave bags.
Yeah. Okay.
If you get both of those bags. Where's the best?
Okay, getting our bags, heading down.
Thank you, girls.
And she's getting married.
Oh yeah. All right, we'll see you there.
We are going to be
Get ready.
on time.
No! No! What?
Actually, they're not that light.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah, can we put mascara on the bottom of your lashes?
You know we're going to go.
and then we're gonna go.
You look beautiful.
Do you mind facing this way? So
Oh, I want to get one thing. Okay, wait, who has my wallet?
Can we get it for you? That way you're not walking through the.
What do you need? No, I'm okay.
All right.
You have my wallet, right? Okay, yeah, I'm good then. Okay. You good to go? Okay. Yo, your guys' dresses turned out exactly how I wanted them to be. After all the struggles that I struggled through, honestly. Okay.
No, but they look
Are the
beautiful.
bridesmaids in the bus?
They should be on there, yeah. The bus should be pulling in right now.
Do you need a minute? A private minute? Okay. Good? Yeah.
Do you need some Tylenol? No, I got some.
Yo, Tylenol?
I have Advil
Does
in my car.
Tylenol do anything for you guys?
No, ibuprofen is
like
better.
placebo to me. I like ibuprofen.
Yeah,
It's the
ibuprofen is
good
better.
stuff.
Okay,
All right,
he's here.
All right.
all right. We're coming out. Coming out like right behind you guys. Okay.
Okay. Don't make me come after you.
We won't. We won't.
Actually, I'm gonna get in my car and go
Okay.
to the church.
Okay.
Okay.
So like seriously get on the bus.
Okay, we are.
Okay.
I promise.
All right. Let's have our last relaxing moments together.
Oh, you can.
No, no.
You can't talk? Oh,
Like pull it. Yeah. I'm afraid that it doesn't what?
Look right.
Oh, what do you mean, Inky?
No.
Inky, this thing is really, really, really good. It's really good.
Can we take it? Can we hold the next belly button there? Any last things to say? I'm excited! Our last moments together. No, it's not. We're still
No, I'm
going
just
back to
saying
being
like
together.
in this room this weekend because when everyone's here it's just crazy.
Yeah, it is. I want to make sure Tunji takes pictures because I'm not getting on the bus until it's 1 o'clock.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right.
I don't have shoes on. Why don't I have shoes on?
Your shoes are in the bag. Remember? You put it on the
I know,
bus.
but I need something. Okay, wait.
Is everything okay?
Ooh, you're stepping on my dress.
Sorry.
Small, okay? I don't. Where's iPhone? Because you need some real cameras over here.
Nah.
No,
Yeah.
Samsung is good.
That's better. Yeah, that's better. It's
Way to the on the way to church. I'm all ready to go. Look at this.
What is it?
No, okay. Let's do a selfie. Or like
I think I'm gonna use
you did everybody say
Except for Erica, Ashley and Ori.
You did except for who?
Ashley and Ori. I did everything else. Is it okay? I watched the video and then I did it.
Yeah, he does.
I know you know the dress.
Where are the guys?
I don't know. I've tried to ask Jennifer that.
I think they're like away somewhere.
They may have went into the bridal room. You're welcome.
If you just to make sure.
Yes.
It's going, right?
Yeah, it's recording.
Do we have everybody? Oh wait, thank you.
Baby, go down, oh, baby, go down. Take meds on. Like Arizona. Can't reach the goal. Look at that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Inky, look what you guys did. Look what you guys did. Oh my god. Now let me tell you guys, no one will live this down.
It doesn't even look like the same house. Is that you? Who is that? Look, let's take a picture of the guys holding it, right? I got a quick shot. Oh, where?
What do you think? This is amazing. Yeah? Look what you guys did. Everyone's doing the teal camouflage. Wow. It's amazing in here. Thank you. Wow.
Lawrence. Some of these things look
We are looking at the first look of the hall before all the guests come in and taking some pictures and video. So, yeah.
Every time I think of it, I freeze myself, 'cause I don't believe it's true that someone like you loved you.
Because all those names that they mentioned, I remember they were on the ones that needed to be written down. Nothing was not.
Oh na na na, young brother. Alright, yeah. Oh na na na. Let's go. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. The way you dance, they make me they go low. Say your moves, they make me go loco, eh? Go loco, aye. Say I don't mind what you do, you'll always be my boo. Yeah, yeah. Say I don't mind what they say, we can make it if we try. Yeah, 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 yeah. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. Come make me go, whoa. Come make me go, yeah. Come make me go, whoa. Come make me go, I'm ready now. Take my hands and come with me, baby girl. It's me and you tonight, Mogwe. I will never let you go, never let you go so far away. Oh yeah, come and chop my money, chop my money, Oya baby kò mọ́lẹ̀, sáré wá gbà wọlé gbà síbẹ̀. Oya baby kò mọ́lẹ̀, sáré wá gbà wọlé gbà síbẹ̀. Oya baby kò mọ́lẹ̀, sáré wá gbà wọlé gbà síbẹ̀. Oh na 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 moving that body, you make me want to throw it, baby. The way you moving that body, you make me want to throw it, baby. Come make me go, come make me go.
Law, I beg, come. We have to invite the groom because he has to talk to these boys. I don't know what's going on. Come. You don't believe me because I know they will soon start serving dinner. Come. Come and talk to these boys. I said stand in formation. You guys, make me that come on jacket. Come on jacket. Take your jacket off. Law has spoken. Take your jacket off. Don't hang it anywhere. Just don't. What you are giving your jacket to, don't just be giving jacket to everybody. Some of you are using it to connect with a babe. You give her a jacket and later you say, I gave you my jacket. Come on. You are dancing today.
Nothing wrong with that.
All right. Cool down. Edgar, I said cool down. God, they talk. Oh, really? Mambo is not complete. They said there's somebody that they are looking. Somebody here who's supposed to be on this dance floor right now. They said Mambo is not complete. Are you the Mambo? Maçonnerie! Maçon José! Ok. Maman! Décompté! On y va!
Oh my God!
Make some noise.
Yes. Oh, mean the flower?
Yeah.
No.
I think it's just for the look.
Don't eat it, Junior. Don't eat it. Junior! It's a flower.
A good husband. He said, you know what, I got to take my wife there. She's mine. Wow. Also put your hands together for the lovely groom. He knows what he has to do. Bring the daughter to the daddy. That's what we're talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, he's even asking for permission. He said, the father is asking you for permission. That's what's just happening. And you even want her back. You're leaving information, okay?
If you don't let me dance with my daughter, that stuff you requested, you will not get it.
I have to hear the song if I know it to know when it's about to end.
No be smart, you know. All right, I don't want to be the person that started that, so I'm just going to stand to the side, ladies and gentlemen. So one more time, put your hands together for the lovely daughter, father. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise.
You guys don't leave. You guys don't leave.
Yes! What name does that spell? Jesus! Come on, people, put your hands together. Come on.
Hey baby, it's your baby. Let me break it down for you, my lady. I got a cash to make you go crazy, make you look flashy all the days of the week. Always got me loving you, no I'll never stop. A beauty queen, yes, you fly like Ivory. One in a million, Alabama pirates. My flow smooth like a pirate. Your body burning, hot plate. You're special, you a hot cake. Me I fit chop you like conflict. Yes, I'm a boss like Rose. Chilling at the club, pass me the rose. But I'm taking.
You can go ahead. Let's go. Come on, ladies, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh yeah, come now, come and take a picture. Take a picture behind, come on. Nice. We have a couple of single guys that are here now. Where the rest of the single men? Congratulations again, you belong to the next to a man that is up for sitting. Guess what? He's speaking strongly of Jesus. Congratulations.
Go down low, no front end, go down low. I love you, girl, me shiri. It's baby, show me shiri, shiri. Show me love, baby, show me love, show love,
everybody. Thank you for coming from everywhere around the world. This day is finally here. I can have my life back. Okay, so, Inky and Lawrence. It was not easy planning this wedding with them. But it was so much fun. Where do I start? Well, they told me to keep this short, so I'll keep it short. But I always tell this story because I think it's so funny how when Inky was in Toledo and Lawrence was applying for residency, he never mentioned that he was applying to Toledo. And then when match day came, he matched to Toledo, Ohio. And the first thing Inky did was call me, and she was like, "Who does he think he is? He never told me that he was applying to Toledo, and he thinks he can just come here and tell me what to do and go on dates and thinks that I'm his." And I was like, "Inky, it's gonna be all right." But Lawrence and Inky are like the funnest couple. Anytime they're just together, they're like 4-year-olds that just had a sugar rush, and they're just like, beep, 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 beep. Like, every time. And they always have the juiciest gist, and they can tell stories, you know? So I love Lawrence. He's grown to be like a brother to me. Like, I love how I can just call him, when we get off work, we just call each other and be like, "Yo, what's up? What's up? Yeah." I called Inky, she didn't answer. Yeah, me too. Yes. Yeah, so first, if some of you that don't know, Inky is my little sister. And if some of you that don't have little sisters can be very annoying, okay? Very annoying. Inky is very complex, okay? Inky owes me a lot of things. So now that you're married, I will send you my list of things that you owe me, okay? Like for one, that one time when we were little and you convinced me to cut my doll's hair because you said it would grow back. You owe me a doll, okay? The times that we always played school and I was always the teacher's aide, every time. You owe me one time I get to be the teacher, okay? Okay? But the one thing about Inky is that our personalities are like, we're the same, but then we're different. I'm shy. Inky is talkative and she's, you know, not shy. So times when I'm like, you know, crawled up into a ball, Inky's like, "Back up, that's my big sister, back up." And I'm like, "Yeah, Inky, yeah, you tell him." And Inky's taller than me, so I'm okay being back here, you know? So I love you, Inky. We're like best friends, and I'm not gonna cry because we paid a lot for this makeup, so. Actually, I paid a lot for this makeup. Inky was like, "So I found this makeup artist, and she's based in DC, and I think she's actually really good." And then I called the makeup artist, and I was like, "My sister wants, you know, you to book her for the wedding." And I was like, "Come again? How much is this?" And Inky was like, "I really think she's like perfect." And it's like Inky's wedding, so whatever Inky wants, Inky gets. And Lawrence is the same way. Like Lawrence, whatever Inky wants, Lawrence will give it to her. No matter who's talking in his ear, saying one thing, he's always like, whatever the madame wants is what she gets. And I love that about Lawrence because he always puts Inky first, like I do. So I love that about Lawrence. And I also love that, like, if I'm not there, I hear people talk about how Lawrence adores Inky so much. And I think that's important, you know, to have in a man. So I love you, Lawrence, for taking my place and continuing to spoil Inky. And Inky, all the money, you know, that you get from Lawrence, just pass it back over this way. Like, don't forget about me, okay? Like, on the wedding registry, I asked, can we have 2 Keurigs, because I wanted 1. So hopefully, like, I still get my Keurig, you know, so. Okay, good. All right, anyways, I love you guys. We have a whole life of fun together. As I said, Inky and Lawrence are the funnest couples. You will never have a dull moment with them. All right, now, when I met Lawrence, I always heard about his best friend, Namdi this, Namdi that, Namdi, 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 Namdi. And I'm like, who is this guy that is like so big and so popular? So I finally met Namdi, and like Namdi and Lawrence have been together since they were so little. And I love how they have a beautiful bromance. I call it a bromance. Bromance, and I love it. I love how Lawrence knows how to love, and he knows how to give his time, his energy, and everything like that. And I admire that so much about him, and I see it in his parents and his family, and I love how our families are so similar, like the siblings, like we're just one unit, you know what I mean? So anyways, I'll pass it on to my fellow pharmacists. So pharmacists, get on our level, so yeah.
They're coming in for the second part of this celebration. This is how we move. So I'd like to ask everybody to please stand up. I'd like to ask everyone to please get on their feet. Please get up. Because guess what?
We're so happy to be here. We are NIMAS women. NIMAS stands for Nigerians in Metro Akron area, Akron and surrounding areas. And we also today we are called Mothers on the Ground. We are Dr. Gertrude Mbaro's friends. She's been wonderful to a lot of us, and they were so happy to be part of this great occasion. And you know, we've watched Nkiru grow over the years. Some of us have known her for more than 15 years, and then she just blossomed into this beautiful, talented, wonderful young girl. And you know, she found the love of her life, Lawrence. So we welcome you to Nima's family. And there's a saying that goes, once a Nima's woman, always a Nima's woman.
We'll talk more, we'll talk later. You know, my groomsmen, forget you guys, man. You guys are awesome. I've known a lot of these guys for a long, long time, especially people like Nambi and Chike, who I'm looking at, my cousin and my friends. You know, I respect you guys, I love you guys. You guys are awesome, and thank you for everything you guys have done. Some of the friends that I can't see in the back, my eyesight is not that great. You know I love you guys. My new fan, it's not been easy, and I'm broke. You're looking at this jacket like this. I've not cut the tag yet. Anybody that wear makeup, don't near me. Because any stain, I will not be able to return it. So, this shoe I'm wearing right now, there's the outdoor shoe, and then there's the indoor shoe. This is the indoor shoe. So the sole will be clean. If anybody has returned shoe before, what they check? So, thank you. Wait out. The photographer said, let's go outside and take picture. I said, wait, let me change shoe first. Man, you guys are just beautiful. You know, I sent a message earlier. I said I want everybody to be in tuxedos. I want people to be in beautiful gowns, and you guys came through. You know, everybody's just absolutely beautiful. I was sitting up there and I was looking around, and oh my God, I haven't seen this many beautiful people. I mean, Nigerian people, you know, my friends from school, my family from Nigeria. I mean, I'm in awe. And none of this is for anything that I did or we did or any of us did. This is by the grace of God. Because we have prayed about this, and we have, you know, we've thought about this day, and we bless God for this day, and we have, I mean, there's nothing about this that is on us, you know, and I appreciate Dr. Mrs. Lawrence. You know? I mean, everybody knows I'm a hard head. When they say there's time for work, I'll say I have to study, you know. I had an exam in June. I was ready for the exam in April, but I stretched the study till June because I didn't want to plan this wedding. This is a lot of work. And she just took it and went with it. You know, this woman here is my superwoman. She's my everything, you know, and without her, none of this will happen or would have happened. Before I hand the mic to her, I just want to say a few thank you. My mom and my dad, there are no words, you know, there are no words that can explain how much I appreciate you guys. You guys are my everything.
I have a few shout outs that I want to do. First is to my parents, mommy and daddy. Thank you, daddy. But, mommy's like my personal therapist. I'll call mommy and I'll be like, Mommy, I saw this thing on Instagram that I want for our wedding, but I don't know how to get it. She would say, okay, this is how we're gonna do it. This is our plan. And I thank you, Mommy, for putting up with me. I thank you for doing all the things behind the scenes that I may not have acknowledged throughout the process. And I thank you for all your hard work that you do for me and for this wedding specifically. Thank you, Mommy. And second of all, I want to thank Ify, because this whole process that started with the engagement was on your shoulders. You carried so much of the responsibility in planning, coordinating, going above and beyond to do more than a sister, a maid of honor, a best friend could have ever expected to do. And I thank you for that, because you do it selflessly, you do it with joy, and I can only hope that when tables are turned in less than a year's time, that I can do a fraction of what you have done for me in these last, what is it, 10 months? 9 months, or 11 months since the engagement. And I thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I want to thank my bridesmaids as well. You guys are a collection of important people that I have encountered along my journey of life, from various stages. A lot of people from University of Toledo, which is a very important stage of my life. And I thank you guys for not only being part of my bridal party, but supporting me. All the wahala that we did last night. Specifically Asanta, who came to Nigeria for my traditional wedding, and as soon as she hit the ground in Ojoto, she was working and helping me. What can I do? Even without even asking her, she did a lot for me, and I thank you for not only helping me with my trad wedding in Nigeria, but also coming here and helping me as well. Thank you.
Thank you guys, and I think we're still going to dance a little bit. Now, I know there's some people we may not have taken pictures with. Please, this is probably the best time to just try and catch us and take some pictures. Please, you know, I know the weekend.
But they in the building, hey, is that easy? This music, hey, hey, baby dance ya, ole ya, many music they to play, dance ya, ole ya, baby dance ya, ole ya, this music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya, Oya kumole, be my flow. Oya make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Parabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Kumole, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby.
Dance ya, ole ya, no they play me like player. Oya jo fun me, my lady. Oya kumole, my jolo. Baby dance ya, ole ya, no they play me like player. Oya jo fun me, my lady. Oya kumole, my jolo.
Yes mama, turn your swag on, cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor, you know you kill all. Call the DJ spin all. They be asking what's my name, they be asking, say what's my name. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na.
Baby dance ya, ole ya, many music they to play, dance ya, ole ya, baby dance ya, ole ya, this music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya. Oya kumole, be my flow. Oya make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Parabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Kumole, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby.
Baby dance ya, ole ya, no they play me like player.